how to connect Facebook page with Meta Business Suite. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can connect or add your page to your Meta Business Suite. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to your settings over here. When you click this, you will be redirected to this page over here where you will be able to see all of these options over here on the left side. Now all you need to do is you're going to click on your business assets option right here. In this section, this is where you will be able to see everything that is connected to your Meta Business Suite, such as pages, ads account, Instagram accounts, and all of those stuff. Now all you need to do is to click on add asset over here on the right side, and you will see this pop up over here. As you can see, you have your Facebook page over here, which would allow you to connect it to your Meta Business Suite. You could also connect your Instagram account and WhatsApp account over here. And that's it guys, that is all you need to do to be able to connect your Facebook page. Simply select this option over here and you will be able to add the Facebook page that you would like to add to your Meta Business Suite. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.